going on, you all? John here, and today we're going to be exploring a waterfall. Let me go ahead and take you all to it right now. Look at that, you all. Let's go ahead and go down there. That is a beautiful waterfall. Oh my goodness. Just look at it. Look at that rainbow. It just makes it look beautiful. All right, you all. Made it to the waterfall. Let's cross the rocks. And get to amazing waterfall. Down in the center, and all the mist is falling towards me. I don't even know if you can hear me. Look at all the mist. It is beautiful. Now that water is apparently really cold, but we may go jump in it. I haven't decided yet, but I feel like it'll be an experience. All right, you all, back in the car, and I decided we're gonna go jump. Once in a lifetime opportunity, not jump, but we're gonna go get under the waterfall. So let me get the towel, and then we'll head on the way. There's actually a second trail that leads down, so we're gonna go down that way first and then walk towards the waterfall. Also, because we're gonna be getting under the water, we're gonna be taking the GoPro. So let's go ahead. If you all don't know, I just went mountain climbing, and this is very steep, just like it, except this time I'm in Crocs, not actual decent shoes, and I just slipped down in front of a group of people. So yeah, that was good. Refrain from slipping. Whoop. Yeah. Ooh. That was almost me again. And these fucking leaves, you can't see if you're about to KO. I do have the towel, GoPro. We're set to go. I would normally take my phone, but the phone is cracked because I dropped it. So we're on the GoPro today, and let's hope the footage doesn't get corrupted. Because for whatever reason, whenever I use the GoPro, I swear the footage always gets corrupted.
For the kids to swim, and if they won't swim.
Oh, God. Yeah, that's chilly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's chilly.
It's not too bad if you're in the sun.
Okay.
No, it's still bad, but at least you got the sun to get you warm. Yeah, it's cold.
Let's go see. I'm supposed to get under the waterfall. We'll see if I do that, though.
Did you come down this path?
Yes. Did you?
No, we're probably trying to go up that way.
I went down first that way to take pictures, and then I just decided to come back down this path. We're switching to the GoPro now. So, and yes, it is chilly. Ooh, it's very chilly. Maybe I should just go with no shoes. No shoes seems kind of crazy though. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I'm gonna stand under this waterfall, because right now we gotta go all the way over there, but first we have to cross. I could try crossing further down, or I could just stop being scared of cold water. Oh. I'm not even joking, I just got hypothermia. Oh my god. It's freezing. It's literally freezing. Whew. I think I'm gonna walk up the stairs, because that trail, we almost fell down. Although going up the trail will probably be easier. Who knows, to be honest. Who knows? Oh, it's chill. Yeah, the water is really cold. Yeah, I walked around. Yeah, you can. There's a crossing. Talking to the people. It is so cold. It is so cold, it's crazy. I'll get back to you all when I'm on that side. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. It is time. And boy, is just the mist cold. Just the mist is cold. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh my God. Woo. That is cold. And I lost the base. I lost the base of the thing. Oh my God. It's not even my body that's cold. My feet are freezing. And my body almost went into shock, I feel like. Round 2. So yeah, just like I thought, some of that footage ended up getting corrupted, so you all won't be able to see me go for that second swim. But I did end up meeting some cool people, and then I finished off the video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right back into it. It is freezing. Nah, fam. Yeah, he's actually crazy. We're gonna have to bring Lucy back. We're gonna have to come back with Lucy. Whoa. So yeah, you all, that was the video on exploring a waterfall. I do have another video about me rock climbing coming out soon, which was incredibly fun. I did that actually before this, and that one's going to be a lot longer because we did actually climb an entire, pretty much rock face all the way to the top. There's some amazing footage from it. Actually, I'll go ahead and pop some of that up at the end of this video. But that's all for right now with the water climb, or with the waterfall visit. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you all in 2 days. Peace. Made it to the top.